welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. This video I am going to be installing a wig that I got from Hermosa Hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So I'm excited about this video because, of course, it is another glueless wig install, another glueless wig. It's still summer, it's August, and it's still hot. So I'm just showing you all the glueless options so that you don't have to sweat your lace out this summer. So this wig here is their 26 inch, 180 density, 8x5 glueless wig. So it looks like this. It already has pre-cut lace, as you can see across the front. They already bleached the knots for you. The hairline is already plucked. Like, the only thing that you have to do is put this thing on. Now, I did co-wash it when it first comes out the bag. Like, the curls are a little tighter, but I like to co-wash hair like this, especially when it's long, so that you can so that I can also see the actual length of it. Because of course, like, the curls drop when you co-wash it, so I recommend doing that. The inside of the wig has this adjustable strap right here, and there aren't any combs or anything on the inside. So the only thing that you have is this adjustable strap. Also, this has invisible knots, so you're not supposed to be able to see the knots. And it also has this dome cap on the inside. So like I was saying, there aren't any combs or anything, but this is a dome cap on the inside of the wig. And so again, the length that I have is 26 inches. If you order a 26-inch wig, you can use the code WEARGO25 for a discount on your order. If you order like a 26-inch like this one. Okay. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So firstly, I'm starting with my hair already braided. You can choose whatever protective style you want to underneath the wig. It's up to you. So now I'm just putting on my wig cap and making sure it fits over my head comfortably, like so. And now that everything looks good, I'm just taking my powder mineral makeup and my flat top brush, and I'm putting it all over the wig cap just so that the wig cap blends better, of course, with my complexion, because, you know, don't want to see the wig cap poking through the lace. Then I'm just going to take some lace tint and tint the lace of the closure. Even though the knots are bleached, I just like taking this extra step. First, now I'm going to adjust the straps here to make sure they fit how I want. And now it's time to put it on. The wig on, I didn't do anything to the wig yet. I just slid it on, and so I just want to show you, like, without any glue or anything, like, this is how sturdy the wig is. Like, you can shake and toss your head and it's not going anywhere. It ain't going nowhere. Okay, all right, so now that the wig is on, this is what it looks like. It has a pretty wide part like this. And now, as you can see, it goes down pretty far on my sides. And the issue with that is, like, my hairline comes out like past the lace, as you can see. So I'm gonna use some baby hairs. I'm gonna cut some baby hairs out in the wig to cover that up. Now, if your hairline, everybody's hairline is different. Of course, if you don't have all that in your hairline, then you probably won't need to do this, but I'm just doing this for me so that the wig looks right on me. And now I'm using my gel, my Eco Gel, and my edge brush to do my edges. So now I'm just taking my edge booster and putting the edge wax all along the hairline of the wig, and then I'm just going to go in with my hot comb. This is just to like straighten up the edges of the wig and like smooth everything out to make everything look nice and neat. And then after that, I'm just taking my Cream of Nature curling mousse and I'm putting that all in my hair to define my curls. And I'm just going through with like, I think it's like a Denman brush to help define my curls as well. I didn't put any water on my hair this time because I usually do, but this time I decided not to. And I kind of liked how it came out better without the water. My curls stayed more defined, like longer, like without getting frizzy or anything. All right, so this is the finishing look. It came out so cute. The last thing that I just want to do is just cut some layers in the front, which I usually don't do, but I don't know, I just want some layers. And then also one last thing is I'm gonna take my lace tint and spray this and put it on my hairline. And just tint up in here. So this is the finished look. It was very simple and easy. It only took a couple of minutes to put on. And like if you're new to wigs, if you're a beginner, this is a very, very beginner friendly. And of course, as you can see, it is glueless. And this is what it looks like in the back. But yeah, I love that this wig has the lace already cut, the hair is already bleached. You don't have to do baby hairs if you want. It's really easy. And you save a lot of money, honestly, because you don't have to keep getting your hair done all the time, like especially in the summertime when everybody's busy, have things to do, like, well, everybody's busy year round. But you know what I'm saying? Like if you're like very low maintenance and you don't want something, if you want something very low maintenance and you don't have to like fight with to keep up, I definitely recommend like these type of wigs with a texture like this, because you don't have to flat iron it. You don't have to do anything. Like the only thing I did was put some mousse on it. I didn't even put water on it. Just put some mousse on it, burst through it a little bit, and keep it moving. Overall, I'm just really love this wig. And I love these. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios, till next time.